The Bouba Kiki effect is a fascinating psychological phenomenon that illustrates the relationship between sounds and shapes, suggesting a natural connection between certain types of sounds and visual forms. This effect reveals how humans, regardless of language or culture, often associate specific sounds with certain shapes. What is the Bouba Kiki effect? The Bouba Kiki effect was first identified in 1929 by German psychologist Wolfgang Kohler. It was later revisited in modern studies to explore how the human brain links auditory and visual stimuli. In the experiment, participants are shown two shapes. 1. A spiky, angular shape. 2. A smooth, rounded shape. They are then asked which shape they would name Bouba, and which one they would name Kiki. 1. The majority of people associate the rounded shape with the word Bouba, because the sound is soft, rounded, and smooth. 2. The spiky shape is most commonly labeled as Kiki, because the sound feels sharp and angular. This pattern holds true across cultures and languages, suggesting that the connection between sound and shape may be universal or rooted in human cognition. Why does the Bouba Kiki effect occur? The exact reasons for this phenomenon are still debated, but here are some possible explanations. Sound symbolism. The effect highlights a form of sound symbolism, where sounds inherently carry meaning beyond their linguistic use. Rounded sounds like Bouba mimic the soft, flowing contours of the shape, while sharp sounds like Kiki reflect angular, jagged edges. Cognitive mapping. Our brains may naturally associate sensory experiences based on their shared characteristics. Rounded visuals and soft sounds both evoke gentler, more fluid sensations, whereas angular visuals and sharp sounds suggest sharpness or abruptness. Evolutionary psychology. The ability to associate shapes with sounds may have helped early humans interpret their environment, such as recognizing danger from sharp or spiky objects. Cross-modal correspondence. This is the brain's tendency to link information from different sensory modalities, such as sight and sound. The Bouba Kiki effect demonstrates how the brain integrates auditory and visual inputs seamlessly. Cultural and linguistic universality. The Bouba Kiki effect has been tested across a wide range of cultures and languages, and the results are remarkably consistent. 1. In one study conducted by Villayanur S. Ramachandran and Edward Hubbard in 2001, 95 to 98% of participants from different linguistic and cultural backgrounds made the same associations between Bouba and the rounded shape, and Kiki and the spiky shape. 2. Even young children, as well as some non-human primates, exhibit similar tendencies, suggesting that the effect is not purely learned but might have a biological basis. Implications of the Bouba Kiki effect. Language evolution. 1. The effect provides clues about how language may have originated, as early human communication might have used sound symbolism to describe the world around them. Branding and design. 1. The effect is often used in marketing and branding, where companies choose names or logos that align with the product's characteristics, e.g., soft sounds for rounded, friendly products, sharp sounds for edgy, high-tech products. Neurological studies. 1. Research into the Bouba Kiki effect has helped scientists study brain functions related to sound symbolism, cross-modal perception, and sensory integration. Aesthetic preferences. 1. Understanding why people associate certain sounds with shapes can inform art, music, and design, helping creators align sensory experiences more effectively. Interesting variations and findings. Children's books. Many words in children's literature, especially names for characters, align with the Bouba Kiki effect. Rounded characters often have soft-sounding names, while sharp, villainous ones have harsher names. Cross-species relevance. Some studies suggest animals, particularly those with higher cognitive functions like primates, may also exhibit tendencies akin to the Bouba Kiki effect. ASMR and sound associations. The connection between soft sounds and comfort or harsh sounds and alertness might relate to the same cognitive mechanisms behind this effect. Final thoughts. The Bouba Kiki effect demonstrates the incredible complexity and interconnectedness of human sensory processing. This simple yet universal association between sound and shape offers insights into the evolution of language, art, and communication. It's a striking reminder that our perception of the world is not isolated to one sense. Our brains seamlessly weave together sound, sight, and meaning.